Hi, in this video I'll show you how you can get the background picture of your Canva design or your Canva presentation. As you can see here, I have this Canva presentation and there is a background image, and I think the background look pretty. This is actually a real image, and this is something that we should be able to change the property. Like we can change the style, we can change the position, the size, etc. But for some reason this image is kinda locked, or we cannot do anything. We can click on it, we are aware that there is a background image here, but we couldn't do anything about it. Well, because this image is being used as a background. In order for us to get this image, we have to detach it from the background. So what you need to do now is you have to right click on the background. Make sure that you have you right click exactly on the background. You don't want to right click on a different object. And after that, you want to select detach image from background. And there you go. Now we have this image that basically used to be a background, but now it is a separate object that we can modify or resize later. So that's one way to do that. And if you want to get this image back as a background, just right click again and you want to select replace background, or sometimes you can also see the option like use it as a background or insert as a background, but regardless you want to select that option. And there you have it. That is the image that now turned into a background. So every time you want to get a background from we want to get the image background, you want to right click and then detach from the background. That's basically how you can get it. Anyway, I hope you find this video helpful, and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more content like this.